Okay, it's recording. You want to tell me the Russian alphabet?
No.
Please.
No.
Can you tell me the Greek alphabet?
No.
Come on, it's fun. Please, Leslie, don't be mean. Can you please tell me the Russian alphabet?
No.
I know it starts A, B, V,
G, D, E, U, J, C, E, U, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, S, T, U, S, H, C, Ch, Š, Š, Dirty Snug, Dirty Snug, A, U, yeah.
Wow, good job.
The Russian alphabet.
The Russian alphabet.
Our hotel.
The phone. Yeah. Okay, you can hold the phone. Thanks.
Hey, guys.